Hello, friends! Welcome, welcome! I'm your panda buddy. Today we're going to sing and play together. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go!
Frogs. Frogs are animals with strong back legs. Their legs help them jump. Most frogs are green, brown, or gray. Many frogs have spots or stripes. Frogs use the color of their skin to hide. They blend in with leaves, grass, or branches. Most frogs start out as tadpoles. They have tails like fish. They swim in water. Tadpoles grow and change into frogs. Their tails go away and they hop on land. Most frogs need to stay wet. They live near ponds, rivers, or swamps. Some frogs have sticky pads on their toes. These help frogs climb trees and hang on to plants. Most frogs eat insects. They use their tongues to catch insects. Frogs croak, peep, and make other sounds. Frogs can make a lot of noise.
Thank you for watching. EduFam.